Hey guys, let's talk about the Osmo Pocket 3 not turning on. You see here, when I press the button and I hold, it's not turning on. And even when I flip the monitor, it doesn't turn on as well. The Osmo has a battery here inside, okay? So the battery is supposed to be charged. And if it's not gonna turn on. So if it goes below 1%, for example, you don't have battery at all, it's not turning on. So I have here the battery pack. This one you see that's broken. Then when I connect here, sometimes it's not well connected. You see, sometimes it's pretty loose here because this one is broken, so it doesn't work well. So you just need to make sure that you have well connected to charge it, okay? And the other one here is good. You see the one here that I have just two sides that are pretty good. Then you can connect and it's going to work. Then as long as you connect here, just make sure that you have charge here as well. Sometimes you just don't, then you need to connect the cable. Right now, for example, it's not charging it because I don't have any cable connected here and I don't have any battery here, right? So I just need to use, the battery is not charged. So I just need to connect the cable like so, USB-C cable. Now wait for it to charge. And sometimes you still see the LED here red. So when I try to turn it on, it's still red here, it doesn't turn on. Then you need to wait for some time because you need to have at least 5% of battery so you'll be able to turn it on, right? Let me just press here and hold, for example. You see low battery powering off because it's 0%. So you're not gonna turn it on even if you have it connected here. Just wait for a while and it's going to work. Let me try to flip this as well. You see, try it, but it doesn't work. So just wait, it's a waiting game now, and it's gonna work in a while, okay? So if it doesn't work, the last option here is to open it up and check the internal battery here and replace it, right? So those are the way you can check if your Osmo Pocket 3 is not working, it's not turning on. So I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your comments here, and I see you in the next video.